Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this amazing blue bright colourful makeup look that I did with the new James Charles palette, and I'm so excited for this palette. So if you want to see how I did this makeup, just continue watching the video. Okay, so I'm just starting off with my eye makeup before I do any other face makeup because this is such a bright look. So I've done my eyebrows and I've prepped my eyes with the MAC paint pot in the colour Soft Ochre. James said to use a proper eye primer when using his palette, so I went out and bought one, and honestly I love it so much. Why have I not got this sooner? So let's see, what should we do? Okay, so I'm just taking the Morphe M505 brush and James's palette. I take this bright blue colour right here. This is the colour called Playground, and I'm gonna like pack it into my crease. These colours are so ridiculously pigmented. So I sort of pack it and then start blending it. That's what I have found best works with this palette, and then just softly blend the edges with the excess that's on the brush. And then I'm just going to take the big white colour that's in the palette and sort of just put that underneath here to help blend in. Like so, and I'm going to continue building up this blue colour until I like it, and I need to find a place to put this palette because it's freaking huge. Okay. I didn't set this primer either, I just put the MAC paint pot on, waited about a minute for it to dry down. You don't need to set it, and the colours work better if you don't set it. Again, taking that white and then sort of running it along my eye. It just helps blend everything out a lot more seamlessly, I find, using the white. Look how pigmented these are. How insane is that? Like, how actually insane is that? Okay, so now I'm going to take the darker blue, which is beneath it, this colour here, and I believe that colour is called Cola. Yeah, so that colour is called Cola. I'm going to take my M433 brush and then just sort of put this in the outer corner and then like blend it into the crease. I just sort of pack back and forth and blend. This colour goes a little bit patchy, so especially because my eyes are really wrinkly. So you need to be careful with this colour and just take time to like blend them out. Found the exact same with the purples as well. Sort of dabbing it right into the corner. I don't know if you can see, but it goes like a little bit streaky on my eye. Don't know if you can see that. My eye wrinkle. So I found with this palette I need to sort of stretch my eye like that for it to not go streaky, but I'm holding my mirror so I can't do that. It's just little things. This palette is easy to work with. Wow. It is easy to work with after like you've had practice with it. Okay, so I'm just going to take this white underneath here, and I'm just going to take a white there just to help blend that out. Sometimes I just blend it with one sweep and I'm like, yeah, and other times it just doesn't do what I want it to do. This eye is definitely the worst for going streaky, so I just pull my eye like that. Can you see that? Oh, there you go, you can see it. It's like streaky. That's not my veins, that is the shadow. There you go, you can see it. It's streaky. Because my eye is really wrinkly, sort of goes like that. Can't even see what I'm doing. My skin sort of bunches up as I, like that. So when I brush, my skin bunches up like that because I've got like hooded eyes, so I've got excess skin on my eyes. So I need to stretch my eyes to have a smooth application. So this excess skin on my eyes doesn't go bunchy and weird. That was a really weird explanation. I don't know if anyone actually understood that. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut my crease with some concealer. Just sort of blending out the concealer on the edges to give like a smooth transition between concealer and shadow. That's a pretty good cut crease, I might say so myself. It's not bad, not bad. Okay, so now I'm going to take the bright shimmery blue colour, which, oh my gosh, this colour right here, which is called Hello. Love it. Oh god, no, I hate when that happens. Honestly, my bloody hooded eye. So yeah, I'm just going to take the colour Hello on a brush, spray it with some setting spray, and I'm just going to pack this on like a bitch. Oh, how pretty is this colour though? How pretty. And I'm just going to take a bit of the colour Playground, which is the bright blue colour, and just sort of put it through my crease. And then a little bit of the colour Cola again, which is a dark blue colour, on the outer corner. I'm just going to take my big Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush and just throw it across the room, obviously. And literally, this brush I never use for any colour. I literally just use it to blend things out. So. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of my face and then we'll come back and do the under eyes. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that bright blue colour Playground and run it along my lower lash line. I'm literally just going to copy what I did for my eyes on my lower lash line. I'm just sort of joining it up at the edge. And I'm going to take the darker colour Cola and just literally put that on the outer corner, joining it up with the top eyeshadow so it makes your eyes look nice and round. And then taking the nice shimmery blue colour and putting that under here. So now I'm going to take the colour Ring Light, which is this colour right here. Spray it with my setting spray, and this is going to go on my inner corner. I use this colour as a highlighter as well because it's so pretty. I'm just going to take my Jaclyn Hill brush one more time. Make sure everything's nice and blended. I've just put on the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid in the colour Mogul to go with it, just like a nice nude colour to go with this eye look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyeliner, my mascara and put some lashes on, and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, and this is the finished look. I'm absolutely in love with this palette, and these lashes that I have on that are really fluffy and pretty. They're from this company called Creative Aesthetic. This is the box and this is the back. They have a Facebook page on Facebook and they sell their lashes and they are absolutely beautiful, but yeah, this is the lashes. Look how pretty and fluffy they are. But yeah, so let's do a close-up of the makeup, shall we? Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!